Hi, my name is Gheorghiu Mircea from Romania, European Union. This is like a YouTube letter for Roscosmos. So I discovered many years ago, 3 years ago, but nobody listens to me. And now I started a YouTube channel about a year now, this year. So I discovered, but nobody listens. And I started not something special for Roscosmos, but I started a list in my YouTube channel when I'm talking towards all the space agency, NASA, ESA, JAXA, and this is for Roscosmos. Maybe I will be heard. This is so hard. What I'm saying is a little bit hard. So this is why I address this towards space agency. Uh, I think that there are some smart guys near these agencies and they will understand what I'm telling. So I studied not about special, about Roscosmos, but towards NASA, JAXA, ESA, all of them. I discovered that you are being lied and the stars are closer than you are believing. Our galaxy is a sphere. And what there is called right now galaxies are simply stars. You see exactly like this Christmas globe. There the galaxies are put. Our galaxy is a sphere and it is void only inside. And we cannot see the universe outside this because this membrane has 26 billion kilometers, is voided inside, and inside is the solar system. And from the sun at the border there are 26 billion kilometers with the speed of light. One day with the speed of light, 26 billion kilometers from the sun at the edge. And this membrane has also 26 billion kilometers of clouds. So I'm telling you, I know that it's shocking and it is shocking for the entire planet, but it is true. And maybe somebody will hear this and you must distribute all over. Maybe it will do some good for your country. Russia is now in war and not everybody is bad here, okay? So we are Orthodox, the Romanian, it's EU, the Greeks, the Bulgars, we are not. So if you find this, maybe you will watch my other videos to understand supplementary. So the Doppler shift, the expansion, things like this are wrong. Our galaxy is only body that we can see on the night skies. The galaxies are put in clouds. Our galaxy is surrounded by clouds of hydrogen, oxygen, molecular and unmolecular. At the space temperature, hydrogen becomes liquid at minus 250 degrees Celsius. And what they are lying that they are gravitational systems. I mean the galaxies like this are not gravitational systems. Gravity is not attraction, does not bound together to make gravity means to rotate, to create gravitational systems. So what they were lying that they are galaxies like with suns in them, they are simply pieces like this, put in clouds. Electromagnetic clouds that surround our galaxy, 36 billion kilometers at the border of galaxy, they are still 26, so this thickness. and inside is void. Not completely, because there is an electromagnetic field even throughout all our solar system. So this is, if you, I'm not lying, okay, this is going to do some good for your country even. This is why in the Bible says God made stars in one day. The ignition was propagated at the surface with one day. This is why our galaxy is one day with the speed of light. In 1815, some Doppler dude in light that the light from distance becomes red and does not. And 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 this is how they pretend, like nowadays, that the light stretches, and from that stretching of light they have some calculus what the distance is. And in 1400 Giordano Bruno identified the sun with the stars, and they are not. And I'm telling you, all that you can see, all that you can see, all that you can see in the pictures are pieces of alloys from two metals and crystalline structures. And there's this electric circuit that goes through all over the galaxy like this. Like from a pole to a pole, and it's spherical. They made it spiral to trick you. Copernican revolution only put the sun in the middle, and the sun is still in the middle of this globe. That is our galaxy. And the Bible says the sky and the earth, because you cannot see the universe, only this sphere. This sphere, what you are seeing in the pictures, there's not empty space, void, not even in our solar system. There is an electric field, but what you are seeing black, they are clouds, like in the night. They are unilluminated clouds, and the stars, the galaxies, are put there, like on this wall. But the wall itself is electromagnetic in nature, like in the thundercloud. And at the border of our galaxy, there's like a fog, like clouds of hydrogen, oxygen, mainly water. That's why it says that it's split the water in two in the Bible and make the skies, the heaven, in water. So maybe you will not understand that it is shocking, and this is shocking. And if somebody will find this, maybe you will distribute, you will help your country. You do not understand that this is right and it is important. So if you find this, distribute. I'm telling you, I know that it is unbelievable, but it's unbelievable what they lied. They did not need to produce light only with fire, and they identified the stars with the sun from 1400s. So the stars, I'm telling you, they are cold. They are not similar. These galaxies are like this. And they are putting clouds, like a cloud has thunder and lightning. This enormous power we made from electrical energy, from power plants, from water. So I'm telling you the truth. This could help your country. This is the way I'm making my vlog. I am filming like this. I don't have anything against Roscosmos, and I'm not a very big lover of it, but I know that what I'm saying, it is hard and not a few many people could understand this. So I studied a list towards all the space agencies that I know on this earth. This is my third. I made one already towards NASA, and believe me or not, we cannot see only one day with the speed of light. Like you cannot see a military tank with binocular from a billion light years. In the similar manner, we only see one day. You cannot you can put only one day in a mirror. So our galaxy is a sphere. This is the sphere indeed from ESA channel, filmed around the Earth 24 hours, but there is indeed for 24 hours until you reach the border of our galaxy, and we cannot see the universe. The universe is a term that they invented for the whole of the creation, but in the Bible says the sky and the heaven, the earth, because we cannot see the universe. So we do not know what is beyond this sphere. Believe me or not, what you are seeing black, they're clouds, unignited clouds, and from there the stars extract light. I'm not lying. I don't want money. I don't want nothing. Only that these things should be found. So I'm not a scam artist. I discovered this 3 years ago, and nobody listens to me. And I'm telling you, this is the freedom of speech. You are free to lie like everybody lies. And I'm telling you, this could be a great good for your country. This is how I make my vlog. I don't have anything to gain. I'm filming in my house, okay? This is a coffee science. This is like I'm saying. And this is for Roscosmos. The stars are close, are cold and small.